Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you top tricks on your headphones OPPO Enco Air 4 Pro. So let's start with open an application, and the first trick is you can turn on ANC mode. I like it so much. You can turn on it by pressing in the application or with gestures. The second one, then you can personalized ANC and it make a sound more cleaner. Let's go. The third one is a game mode. I like it. Maybe you don't want to use it, but I like it so much, so you can also turn on it. It's good. And the last one, what I prefer, is dual connection. You can connect your to your devices at the same time, so I guess it's really cool. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!